Hey, how you doing? Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So the whole idea here is simple cocktails at home. I'm going to show you something simple that I make when I'm looking to go shoot a quick game of pool. I don't want to fool around playing chemist. I want to do something quick. I'm going to do something I call the Malibu Splash. Okay, it's very easy. Easy to remember too. It's just 1 part of Malibu, 1 part of dark rum, 2 parts of pineapple juice, and a little bit of lime juice. So let's begin. Get to it, Ray. Okay, first thing you want to do is grab your shaker. I've already put ice in there, and we're just going to pour in 1 part of Malibu Coconut Rum. Add that to our shaker. And then we're just going to put 1 part of Angostura 7 dark rum in there. Now you can use whatever dark rum you have. I happen to like this one because it's from the Caribbean. It's from Trinidad and Tobago. If you want, I can do a review of it sometime, tell you all about it. But in this case, I want to do things quickly and just get this done without spilling it. Okay, then we're just going to go 2 parts of our pineapple juice. Like I said, I like these little cans because they're very convenient. You can really shake them and get it nice and foamy. Now this would be a good time to ask you, I sure would like it if you would subscribe to me. My subscriber count is slowly getting up there, but I need the people that are holdouts to finally pull the trigger and subscribe to me. Subscribe, hit the bell next to it. That way you get notified every time I put out fresh content. So to that, we're just going to add a quarter to a half ounce of lime juice, depending on how sweet you like it. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a quarter. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit of coconut cream in there. Now you can use your Real, you can use your coco lopez. Like I said, I made some coconut cream, but I'm going to use a little bit of both. I'm going to take me a big dollop of coconut cream, put it in there, and because I don't want to get away from the full fat stuff, this stuff is kind of a little bit fattening, so I made a coconut cream with less sugar. So I'm just going to use that, a little bit of that. About a total about a quarter ounce. I'm going to give a small stream of that. Okay, so I got one on my fridge. There's some frost on the glass you can see there. Now if you don't have a spare fridge, you can chill glasses or a chiller. All you have to do is fill this up with ice and set it aside. And then make your drink and then pour the ice out. But I have one, let's use it. So let's give this a shake for like 10-11 seconds. Grab your cheater tin. Give this a good shake for like 10-11 seconds. Okay. And then I got some coconut flakes here. Just going to dip this in some water here. And then I'm going to put some coconut flakes on the edges. Okay. Then we're just going to grab ourselves a Hawthorne strainer and strain it on there. Oh yeah. That look good, Ray. Let's give that a whirl. Wow. Very good. Very easy, my friends. A little bit of Malibu, a little bit of dark rum, some pineapple juice, a little bit of coconut cream. This is you can get from the store. It's like a little squeeze bottle. And a little bit of lime. Very easy. So I would like you to subscribe to me. You send me back a comment and let me know if you like my Malibu Splash, how you think I'm doing. But I want you to remember, my friends, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. See you later.